Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about a binary search. It's one of the most popular problem in all over the world. So we have to find the target element in the array. Let's take the linear search. We already know it search all over the array. That means it traverses whole array to find the particular target element, right? In binary search, that's not a case. So let's take the start where we can start in left side. So let's take the end must be num start length, so length minus 1 while start less than or equal to n. We have to find the mid value for the binary search. In this case, we will find out the mid value must be 5. So it must be in located in the mid value is 3. So we have to see the target element is greater or lesser than 3. The target element is greater than 3, right? We only apply the binary search in sorted array. The target element is greater than mid value. So we have to search in right side. So the start equal to mid plus 1. Start must be the start will be 5 and the end equal to 12. And then we have to find the mid value. The mid value of the this range will be 9. So we have to check the mid value is equal to the target element. Yeah, it's equal to the target element. So we find out the target element, then we return the index value. That's the process. So here I check the start and we have to check the nums of mid equal to target element. Else if target greater than nums of mid, what we can do? Target greater than the nums of mid. That means greater than the nums of mid. We have to start equal to search in right side. Start equal to mid plus 1. Otherwise, we simply search in left side. Here end equal to mid minus 1. If in this case there is no target element is found in the whole array, we can simply return the minus 1. Here we can say the array doesn't contains the target element 2. So we simply return a minus 1. So return minus 1. All test cases are passed. Now we submit it. Yeah, it is 100% Java solution. That's about the video. I hope you understand this concept. So let's see in another video. Thank you.